Hello everybody, another video about how you can customize your own site yourself. And today we're going to be talking about how you can hide certain membership levels, especially one question that I saw on the Facebook group for Directories about how you can hide the membership levels are below the current one that a member has. So basically avoiding them uh, doing a downgrade for a certain amount of time. So first, what we're gonna do is once you're in the backend, we're gonna make sure that all the membership levels that you have. Remember, you go to finance, membership plans, and you start editing all of them. And on the signups and upgrades, you gotta make sure that the um, the upgrade and downgrade membership levels are selected. Okay. Once they're selected, here you can see, for example, this one has a basic and a feature membership level. You can see them here, feature and basic, blah blah blah. And these are basically compared to the premium one, these are downgradable options. Membership levels are below the premium one. I'm basing that because the criteria could be based on how much the monthly costs, how much the annual one costs, or what I'm using, which is this baby here. Let me show you. Um, Search visibility. I'm using the search results priority. So the lower the number is, meaning 0 would be the highest one, the higher they show on the search results. Okay, so it's basically the reverse here. So 0 would be a membership level where the members actually show first. Then 1 would be the second group of members on a membership level that shows second, and so on and so forth. So the lower this number is, the higher they show on the search results, which would indicate to me, at least logically, that the higher they're showing the search results, the more that they cost. Okay, so based on that, that would be my logic there, then I will assume that if I see a 3 here on another membership level, that will be a downgradable option. If I see a 1 here or a 0 compared to the 2 that we have here, that will be an upgradable option between the membership levels. So basically, the premium one has a 2, which would mean that these two, because they're downgradable options, have a 3 and a 4 or higher numbers. Okay. So with that said, once you've configured the membership levels and you actually go to a membership, we're going to use the admin sidebar to edit the specific widget that shows this. Okay. In order to do that, you go to visit website up here and we click there and you should be able to see this in sidebar. So we click on the magnifying glass so we can see the widgets and we're looking for something upgrade page 1. Yeah. Okay, so it's that specific one. I forgot. And that you need to basically paste there. I'll put the code, well, I'm going to show you the code here. It's just that I on Facebook there's some people that can't copy it from there, and on YouTube I can't put it anywhere. So hopefully you'll copy it from here, and in the future I'll put a link where you can actually grab all the code. But I'm gonna zoom in here so at least you can see it. And here we have, this is the original code. The only parts that you're gonna be editing, and I'm gonna be pasting the code because I have it here on the side. And the code, I try to minimize the code as much as possible and to make it easy for you to digest the code. Okay, so just below these two, we put the following code, we paste this. Still, remember that I'm going to be giving you the whole widget because there's several sections here. I just want to go over the sections that you control. So this one is a text that you put there if there are no membership levels shown once they pick to upgrade. And here's where you set how many days for the particular membership level that the member is on have to pass in order for that member to actually see the downgradable options. Okay, so you don't have to touch anything here. You only need to take into consideration these two. Um, do know that you gotta pause the video to actually copy the code. I'll be going over it again. I'm gonna go to line 149 now, and I'm just gonna press enter here, and there's a code that we're gonna paste there. Let me look for it here, which is this baby. Let me just paste it there. Plop. There you go. So here we have, this controls two things. It tells the system to hide the downgradable options if not enough days have passed. And two, it tells the system to show the text if there are no actual membership levels that are showing on the final list for the member. And lastly, we're going to highlight these three, and we're going to replace all that with the following. So let me just copy all this here. We're in line 282, 282. Just gonna highlight that, and we're gonna paste this. And this basically, remember to pause the video so you can copy this too. This basically tells the system, hey, if there are no eligible membership levels to show, then why show the continue button? There's no logic behind that. Okay, so it won't show the continue button, it will just skip that part and show the text saying, hey, there's no membership levels available here. Okay, so let's refresh, clear cache, and let's go here. Okay, so we got those two. Okay, let's check the code out. Let's start playing with the code now that we have it here. So here we're saying if 60 days have passed since the member joined, so let's go to the dashboard and we can see when this member actually joined. And you can see this member joined, yep, more or less over 60 days. So we can make this higher. Let's put 80 days, okay? 80 days. So the member needs to wait. This is what this means. This membership level, this member in this membership level, which is the one, which is premium, needs to wait 80 days for the downgradable options to actually show. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna refresh. And if 80 days have not passed, that's one. And two, there are no visible membership levels to select. This membership, this text shows. I'm gonna go to the actual membership level, to that premium one, and I'm just going to enable the super premium so you can actually see it with another membership level. So the super premium is basically an upgradable option for this membership, and the other two are downgradable options. So if I refresh, I'm not supposed to be seeing that text. What I'm supposed to be seeing is the only upgradable option. The other two went away. But if enough days have passed, then it would show that basically everything. Okay, so you can see everything here. Okay, and that's about it. That's about it that you need to take into consideration. So you know that this works, and you can now the additional bonus that I wanted to do, or the added value to this, is that you have a text that shows only when there's nothing to select. When you have the validation when there's nothing to select. So there's no point in showing this button, click to continue, if there's no actual membership levels to select. You also have the additional value of being able to now select, instead of a fixed amount of days per membership level, they get to choose how many days per membership level do you want that membership level to wait before they are able to downgrade. So you have a lot of playing ground here. Let's put it, flexibility. I mean, in 1 hour, that's pretty good, I would say. So I hope this helps with knowing that you can now control the downgradable membership levels based on the days since the person signed up. And yeah, leave me a like, a subscribe, and all that stuff that people say. And that's it. Yeah. So big hugs and think positive as always.